Imagine earning money while you sleep, reaching thousands of people or even millions of people around the world and building businesses all with only using your phone or computer. Many people think YouTube is so competitive or that it's too late to start, but the truth is that very many channels are coming up every day and they are becoming successful. So in this course, I'm going to be showing you everything from how to create a YouTube channel, growing the YouTube channel, getting views, attracting subscribers, and eventually making money from it. Whether you want to become a content creator, promote your business, or even build a personal brand to earn online. So this course, I'm going to be breaking down video per video, and in every video, I'm going to be showing you whatever you need to become successful on YouTube. So what exactly is YouTube? YouTube is the world's largest video sharing platform. Every day, billions of videos are watched by people looking for entertainment, education, news, tutorials, reviews, and even inspiration. So these are the ways on how people use YouTube. The first way is learning a skill on YouTube. There are very many videos on YouTube showing people on how to learn skills. Solving problems. In case you're having something that is disturbing you, you can use YouTube to solve a problem. Watching for entertainment. Following creators. Research products. Listen to music. And even build businesses on YouTube. So we're going to be learning all that on YouTube. So the greatest thing about YouTube is that anyone can become a creator regardless of your age, location, or experience. You don't need expensive equipment. Even a mobile phone can start. Like you see me, I'm recording using my iPhone 14. So anything you can start, anything you have, you can start using it to create a YouTube channel and even earn from it. Many successful channels started with just a phone. Yeah, just a phone, even without a microphone. And they are now excelling and they are now earning money from YouTube. Why YouTube is one of the best opportunities today. Unlike many social media platforms, yeah, where your content disappears quickly, YouTube keeps this content for years and years and years. So even people who have come late or people who have come when you already created your channel can still view these videos. You can create a video today and it may not get views, but with time you start getting views from this video and it will be paying off. So unlike any other social media platforms where the videos disappear quickly, YouTube videos can continue generating money for years and years and years. A video can be uploaded today and can still be bringing views years from now. So that's the very biggest advantage of YouTube. This means your content can become a long-term digital asset. The benefits from YouTube include global audience. Yes, you get to be watched by very many people. Multiple income opportunities. People can you can earn money from the views. You can earn money when people hire you in case your content is problem solving or you're marketing your business. Yeah, personal branding, business promotion, passive income potential, and long-term growth. YouTube is not just a social media platform; it is also a search engine whereby you can search anything you want and it will be bringing for you the results that you need. Many people think the only way to earn money on YouTube is through ads, but that's not the reality. Yeah. So these are the ways you're going to earn money from YouTube. The first way is YouTube ad revenue, where YouTube places advertisements in your video and shares revenue with creators. Yes, you can be watching a video, then an ad pops up. That's the first way on how to earn from YouTube. Another way is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, like I have videos that I already recorded, I already uploaded about affiliate marketing, teaching you on how to become a good affiliate marketer, the products you need, and everything you need to become a good affiliate marketer. Sponsors, companies pay creators to promote products or services on their YouTube channels. Yeah. So you're creating your videos and a sponsor comes up and can also pay you such that you can promote their products in that video. In terms of advertisement or the equipment you're using, you can also recommend people to use that product you're using. In that way, your sponsor, you're marketing that product. Selling digital products is also another way to earn from YouTube. Selling digital products is whereby you can sell books, courses, templates, or even guides. Another way is selling physical products. You can be selling physical products in your area, but again, you use YouTube for marketing the products and showing the people the products. Yeah, those are some of the ways we can earn money from YouTube. Consulting and services. Many creators get clients through YouTube. Yeah, after watching their videos, the most successful creators often combine multiple income streams and YouTube specifically. So let's look at the common myths that people think that are on YouTube. Common myths about YouTube. Yes, you need expensive equipment. That's not true. You can start YouTube with only using your smartphone. It doesn't matter whether it's Android or iOS. As long as it's a smartphone and it can upload a video to YouTube, you can start using that. You must show your face. Very many creators and very many channels are not even showing their faces, but they're earning money from YouTube through faceless content. Yes, where you can upload the video and you place your voice over. Myth number 3: you need thousands of subscribers before starting. That's not true. Every successful channel started with 0 subscribers, but again, they multiply with time. YouTube is too competitive. That's not true. Competition simply proves there is demand. So if they say YouTube is competitive, it means there is demand. There is someone needing to learn something new every day. There is someone that wants to solve a problem. There is someone who wants entertainment every day. So it's better to start now. So what to expect in this course? Okay. Through this course, we will cover creating a YouTube channel that I've already explained it to you, choosing a profitable niche, okay, branding your content, creating videos. I'll be teaching you on how to create videos, editing videos, uploading content correctly on YouTube. Very many people don't know how to upload content or on how to upload content on YouTube. Thumbnails and titles. Does the title match with the thumbnail? Does the thumbnail match with the title? Does it push the person to come and view your video? I'll be explaining all that in this course. So it's better to stick on this channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. So another thing is YouTube search engine optimization, growing subscribers, understanding the algorithm on how it works, how your video is extended to other viewers, monetization methods, okay, and advanced growth strategies. By the end of this course, you'll have the knowledge needed to build and grow your own YouTube channel, and you'll start making money. In conclusion to that, success on YouTube does not happen overnight. Many people started with 0 subscribers, few views, and nothing. But again, with time, consistency. The good news is that anyone can start. You can start and make wonders for yourself. Okay? In the next video, we'll begin with the first practical setup, creating a Google account that you need for your YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that every time I upload a video, you get a notification for that video. Okay, thank you. Don't miss the next lesson.